The safety mode flexion resistance is active when the battery is empty or when an error occurs. Stance release is not possible when the knee is in safety mode. The safety mode behavior can be simulated when adjusting the safety mode settings in the connectgo.pro app. For most users, it is recommended to keep the same settings as the basic stance flexion resistance. Make sure that the user can also control the knee joint in more challenging outdoor situations.